Hello learner, my name is Rahul Mishra and today we are talking about different network speed. So day by day mobile traffic is growing compared to the desktop application, desktop base. Then there is a need to focus on mobile, tablet, iPad users to perform testing. So we can test how good we are at different mobile bandwidth so it doesn't impact our business. Mobile web traffic use different connection speed. So how can we simulate those things? It's just like 2G, 3G, 4G, and different type of 5G and LTE, different type of speeds. So in Jmeter, there is a property character per second. We need to set those values. There is a calculation way. I will tell you, and with the help of that, we can throttle outgoing bandwidth. So for that, first you need to open jmeter.properties. I already opened in my screen and search for character per second, CPS. Okay, okay. So this is by default it is disabled because Jmeter is designed to use maximum bandwidth on your system, but to simulate different bandwidth, you need to open it and enter the value. So if you are assume you want to use 1000 kilobyte per second, then you need to multiply 1000 by 128. So 128 128 so different network having a different speed, so those things can be googled easily and you will get those value, and on the basis of that you can multiply those values and you can write into the CPS and save this value and restart your Jmeter. Now your Jmeter is uh, character per second will be become 1000 per second kbps, and but the thing is every time you need to do these things, because every time if you want to switch from 2G to 3G, 3G to 4G, you need to change the value into the CPS, defines the character per second. So how can we do it in a better way? So mostly it is recommended to run your Jmeter using non-GUI. In non-GUI, you need to pass a Jmeter argument. So Jmeter argument can be passed by hyphen capital J. So you are writing if you are writing in Mac dot slash Jmeter, then hyphen capital J and this property and the value, and as it is hyphen n hyphen t the path of your script, and for report generating, log saving, and other argument you can use it. So that's the way you can simulate different type of speed, network speed. So that's it. Thank you.